Just a reminder again, we're going to be shutting the flight line down, so once everybody that's flying now, once they land, we'll be shutting the flight line down. So if you're coming up to fly, you can just hold off till after we're done the noontime demo and the spectator walkthrough. Then we'll get right back to flying as quickly as we can. Travis, you around here anywhere?